Hello students, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in value education, standard first. So let us start. Our topic name is What a Beautiful World. So children, look at the picture carefully. What can you see in this picture? Yes, there are many things in this picture. Flowers, plants, trees. Yes or no? The two girls are standing. So many things. It is a beautiful scenery. Yes or no? So, this all is a picture of beautiful nature. And you know who has created this beautiful nature for us? This beautiful nature is created by God. The maker of man and nature is God. So children, you all can see around yourself so many beautiful things. Yes or no? So they all are created by God. You can see the flies, you can see the animals, you can see the humans, you can see the plants, flowers, fruits, so many lovely things. So all these are created by the God. God has given us all beautiful things. So we should be always thankful to the God. In this picture you can see the butterfly is sucking the juice from the flower. The honeybee giving the honey. So many amazing and interesting things. These all are because of God. And the animals and the plants, they are the part of our environment. So we should be very thankful to them. We should be taking care of them. Okay, children? Children, story time. So here is an interesting story. Read the story about. There were two princesses, Siddharth and Devdatta. So children, as you can see in this picture, there were two princes. One name is Siddharth and another is Devdatta. So children, one day they were standing near a river when a flock of geese flew over. So children, when Devdatta and Siddharth were standing near a river, they saw one of the flock. The flock was of the geese and that flew over them. As you can see in the picture, the flock of geese. So children, Devdatta took his bow and arrow and shot one of the bird. It fell but did not die. So children, Devdatta, the prince, he has took his bow and arrow and shot one of the bird. So children, you can see in the picture of bow and arrow. This is a picture of bow and arrow. In the olden times, the king were use this bow and arrow for war, or they were doing the practice of archery. So all arrows and bows are used for that. So you can see in this picture also bow and arrow. So Devdatta shot one of the bird. That bird fell but it did not die. You can see in the picture Devdatta how he is shooting with bow and arrow. Prince Siddharth took it home and looked after it. That is my bird, said Devdatta. No, it is mine, said Siddharth. Now children, You can see in the picture, Prince Siddharth took that bird to home and look after it. Remove the arrow from that bird. That is my bird. Now Devdatta is saying that is my bird. I have shot that bird. But Siddharth is saying no, it is mine. So both of the prince, Siddharth and Devdatta started fighting for that bird. As you can see in the picture, Prince Siddharth has taken the bird on his lap and removing the arrow from the bird. And Prince Devdatta is saying that is my bird. So both are arguing with each other, that is my bird. So let's next. They went to the king. The king said, let the bird choose whom it wants. When the bird was put on the ground, it went straight to Siddharth. He picked it up in his arms. Now children, while they were doing the argument, they decided to go to the king. So the king said, let the bird choose whom it wants. The king has said that let the bird decide whom it wants. He wants Prince Siddharth or he wants to go to Prince Devdatta. So the bird was put on the ground, and as soon as the bird was put on the ground, the bird went straight to the Siddharth. He picked it in his arm. Now you know children, Prince Siddharth has removed the arrow from the bird and clear the wound. So that bird also went to Prince Siddharth. So children, can you imagine what is going on in this story? What is happening? If you will show the love and kindness to the birds and animals, they will not forget you. This story shows that. Let's see the story. Next. Yes, as I just said, if we are kind to animals, they will love us. We must be kind to nature too. Nature makes our world so beautiful. Nature is good to us. Remember, God made this world of nature for man and animals too. So, you can see the lovely picture next to the story. So, this picture shows us that all these things on the earth is created by the God, and we should take care of them. We should not only take care of the nature, but we should also take care of the animals, birds, all the things, environment. So nature and the animals, all the things are very, very important, useful for us. So we should use them, we should take care of them, we should not waste anything of it. So we should be always kind to the animals. We should always love them. We should not hurt them. Okay. So this all beautiful nature is created by God, and it is created for us. Do not forget that. So we should be always very much kindful. We should be very much kind and lovable to our animals and as well as our nature. So this story teach us conservation of nature and the animals. Now let us see question. Write good or bad for the following. So first is Veena water the plants. Now children, you have to decide this act is good or bad. So good. Second one, robin plucks flowers from the plants. Bad. We should not pluck the flowers. Third one, boys rob a bird's nest. Bad. We should not harm to any birds also. Next activity, activity 2. So children, you have to do this activity. First one, enjoy the clean air. Smell a flower. Do not waste water. Take deep breaths of fresh air. Water a plant. So children, you have to do these following activities and enjoy. Now next, you have to do this homework. Question is, color the things that nature gives us. Children, as you will see the pictures one by one, you have to color these pictures. So the first picture is house. Second picture is sun. Third picture is tree. And this picture is bird. Thank you so much. I hope so. You all will keep all the things in the mind.